What's going on, guys? Let's talk about Nvidia before earnings are released after the bell. So far, not a bad day for the bulls. Currently, the Nasdaq 100 is up 178 points on the futures, $3.97 on the triple Qs. We're doing very, very well. Nvidia, on the other hand, did get a little bit of run up into the close on these earnings that are going to be released. So we are up about 7 points, just shy of that, and 4.5%. Currently, we are being traded at around $168. So for those of you guys who love to play earnings, good luck. I realistically never play earnings. I made a little bit of money on some Nvidia calls today, and I'm holding one runner that's not going to kill me even if it goes to zero because I already made profits on the Nvidia calls. With that being said, what I do want to look at here, we're at a very, very key area of supply, which is the 10-day moving average. Now, today we did reclaim the 5-day moving average, which normally is going to set up the day for tomorrow based on shortest term sentiment being the 5-day moving average. Generally, whoever controls the 5-day moving average generally controls the next day's sentiment. With that being said, we do have the 10-day that is right above it. And not only did Nvidia try to test and reclaim the 10-day moving average, it was rejected. Is that a huge problem? No. Is it a little bit of a concern? Only reason being is due to the fact that we have earnings. So we need to see what's going to happen with earnings. I can see them shooting this up. I can see them selling it off. Right now, you have to understand that majority of stocks are in a bear market, okay? In order for us to start saying that the bottom is in, we're going to need to at least reclaim the 50-day moving average across the board on about 60 to 70% of names. Until that's done, we just need to take it day by day and trade by trade. So what we're looking at here, if on earnings they do start to take out this 171 area, they will have room to run into 179, 180. After 180, the next resistance level is going to be 184. But over 184, 185 does have room to the upper channel line of around 200. I know that seems like a stretch, and that's best case scenario going forward. Now, if they quickly kind of ramp up after earnings and then sell Nvidia off. If Nvidia sells off on earnings and maybe the guidance or the numbers are not as expected, and we start to lose the 5-day moving average of around $167.61, we will come back down. Now, what price will we come back down to is yet to be determined. But what we do have room to is 161, and below 161 is 158 and 153. Those are the numbers to the downside. So if you're a perma bull or you like to trade to the long side or you're a long-term investor, what you want to see is earnings to hold over 171 going into tomorrow. If we can get over 171 going into tomorrow, we've got room to 179. If they skyrocket Nvidia on earnings and we get over 180, what you want to see is a hold over 180, and you want to see tomorrow or Friday kind of confirm that price action, and over 180 has room back to 200, okay? Just keep in mind, if earnings go south, any loss of the 5-day moving average could at least try to test the most recent lows of 157 and around, 155, 153. Those are the areas of concern. That's what I'm looking for. Again, good luck to everyone who is playing earnings. Best of luck. No one really can tell or decipher what is going to happen on these earnings, but it's a complete crapshoot. The only thing I kind of want to point out here is the macro levels based on the daily time frame, and these are the levels that we have to work with. So depending on what happens today after the bell, let's work these levels to our advantage tomorrow to be able to profit and make some money. If you guys would like to trade with me each and every single day live, make sure you guys join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Also, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube. I would highly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.